Alright guys, here's a video that was requested. Wanted to hear how loud the exhaust was with the muffler delete. So here we're driving, no AC, windows up, normal cruising speed about 60.